Use a T20 bit to loosen the 10 screws, then remove the housing cover. Flip the handle assembly and place it on the mower. Turn the entire lawn mower upright to expose the lower blade. Use a T20 bit to remove the screw from the deck. Return the mower to its original position. Remove the decorative cover with a flathead screwdriver. Use a T20 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the battery box. Unplug the connectors attached to the battery connector assembly to remove the battery box. Use a T20 bit to remove the 4 screws to separate the seat wire assembly from the battery box. The battery connector assembly can then be replaced. Mount the new battery connector assembly into the battery latch assembly. Hold the battery connector assembly tightly to stabilize them until reassemble them onto the battery box. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 4 screws to mount the seat wire assembly into the battery box. Install the battery box back into the lawn mower. Use a T20 bit to tighten the battery box with the 2 screws. Install the decorative cover. Plug in all the connectors and route all the wires in the wire traps. Install the service cover and tighten with the 10 screws. Flip the handle assembly and place it on the mower. Turn the entire lawnmower upright to expose the lower blade. Use a T20 bit to tighten the screw to secure the deck. Return the mower to its original position.